The benefits of clicker training for Rottweilers. Rottweiler clicker training. Positive reinforcement clicker training is a popular method of dog training that utilizes positive reinforcement to teach dogs new behaviors and reinforce existing ones. It is particularly effective with breeds like Rottweilers, known for their intelligence and desire to please their owners. In this article, we will explore the benefits and techniques of clicker training specifically for Rottweilers. Positive reinforcement is the foundation of clicker training. Instead of punishing or correcting undesirable behaviors, clicker training focuses on rewarding and encouraging desired behaviors. The clicker acts as a tool to bridge the communication gap between the dog and the trainer. It marks the precise moment when the dog performs the desired behavior, and is immediately followed by a treat or a reward. This clear association between the click and the treat helps the dog understand that the click means they have done something right. Rottweilers are highly intelligent and can quickly understand and learn the connection between the click and the reward. They are eager to please their owners and are motivated by food rewards, making them ideal candidates for clicker training. For these dogs, the clicker becomes a powerful tool for communication and learning. Before starting clicker training, it is important to introduce the clicker to your Rottweiler. Begin by clicking and immediately offering a treat. Repeat this several times to help the dog associate the sound of the clicker with a positive experience. Once the association is established, you can start using the clicker as a marker for desired behaviors. The key to successful clicker training is timing. The click must always come at the precise moment the dog performs the desired behavior. This helps in reinforcing the behavior and helps the dog understand what is being rewarded. It is important to remember that the clicker is not a command, but a way to communicate to the dog that they have done something right. One of the first behaviors to teach a Rottweiler through clicker training is basic obedience commands like sit, stay, and come. Start by luring the dog into the desired position, for example, holding a treat above their head to make them sit. The moment their bottom hits the floor, click and offer a treat. Repeat this several times, gradually fading the lure until the dog performs the behavior solely based on the verbal or hand signal command. Once the basic commands are mastered, clicker training can be used to teach more complex behaviors and tricks. Rottweilers are quick learners and enjoy the mental stimulation that training provides. Clicker training allows for creative and interactive sessions where the dog actively participates and thinks through the desired behavior. For example, you can teach your Rottweiler to give you a high five. Start by having them sit, then use a verbal command like, give me a paw, and gently lift their paw into your hand. The moment their paw touches your hand, click and reward. Repeat this several times, gradually reducing the physical assistance until the dog offers the high five on their own. Clicker training can also be used to address behavior problems in Rottweilers. Whether it's excessive barking, jumping, or pulling on the leash, clicker training can help redirect and replace unwanted behaviors with desirable ones. By positively reinforcing alternative behaviors, it helps the dog understand what is expected of them and what behaviors are more rewarding. Consistency and patience are important when using clicker training with Rottweilers. Like any training method, it takes time and practice for the dog to fully understand and generalize the learned behaviors. It is important to keep training sessions short and frequent, focusing on one behavior at a time. This allows for better concentration and retention of the training lessons. In conclusion, clicker training is a highly effective method for training Rottweilers. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them perfect candidates for this type of positive reinforcement training. By utilizing the clicker as a tool to communicate and reinforce desired behaviors, owners can establish a strong bond with their Rottweiler while teaching them new skills and addressing behavior issues.